So today we're going to be talking to you about this situation with Kanye West, and he's calling himself Ye. But before we dig into that, we're going to ask that you hit the subscribe button and click on like if you like the video. So with that, let's dig in. So to begin with, a few days ago, it's been probably about 5 or 6 days ago, Kanye West kind of stuck his foot in his mouth with some different comments that have been made on social media and various other platforms on television. In doing so, there began an avalanche of companies that were began to disassociate themselves and basically causing people to take a look and see, what exactly is going to happen with Kanye. Fast forward on October the 29th, Fox produces an article saying Elon Musk says Ye, formerly Kanye West, reinstated to Twitter before he took over the platform. So apparently, prior to um, Elon Musk, who is now the owner of Twitter, they decided to reinstate Kanye West's um, account. This is very interesting because many people assume that because of the association he had with Kanye, that he made the decision to reinstate his account. But he's clearly saying that it says Elon Musk, also the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, assured, however, that anyone suspended for minor and dubious reasons will be freed from Twitter. He says up here, Yee's account was restored by Twitter before acquisition. They did not consult with or inform me. Musk said in a tweet after a user tweeted him said, "So why did you restore our already King Kanye West account? Twitter should not be a platform to spew racism and anti-Semitism." Well, this issue is very controversial, in my opinion, because where does it draw the line where it begins to infringe on the speech of Kanye West? I love Kanye West. He is, to me, an awesome entertainer. He has produced beautiful music, and he's originally from Chicago, so I definitely am totally biased towards him being a native of Chicago myself. So it is
Letting
important to me to have a situation where I am supporting him as a fan. But when I look at him, I actually feel sorry for him because so many of the people that he trusted as family members and friends uh, seem to be not be supporting him in a way that is uh, really accountable to him as a person. And all I can say is, if he were my friend, I would give him a big hug and really try to support him through whatever he's going through. Based on some past discussions, there appears to be some kind of mental health issues that he is challenged with. However, whether that's true or not, every person has a right to express themselves, and I don't think that those mental health issues should be used as leverage to um, discount him as a person and what he has to say. I believe he has a lot to say, and many of the things he has said may be controversial, but some of them are true. And so I just ask that people take a few minutes to think about how they would feel in his position. So, with that, basically, we concluded that Kanye West is now able to use his Twitter account. And so I'm sure that he will be exercising that right as soon as possible. So I'm going to close it out. This is the Biz Diva 9. And again, click on the subscribe button and click on like if you like this video. Best regards until next time. See you later. Biz the Biz Diva 9. Have a good night.